Dylan's gonna try some solid food.
Yeah? You like it? What do you think? You want to eat some more?
It's kind of like when he spits up.
Maybe I'll put it with my hands. Here, you want some more? Not so sure about that. Oh, that was a good bite. You want some more? Okay. Oh, he likes it. Look. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Okay. Okay. Open your mouth. Here we go. Yeah, that sounds pretty good, huh?
Yeah, he likes his first solid food.
Whoa. Whoa.
Don't you?
Kitty. Kitty, kitty. Do you want some more? Hey. Want some more? Yes, I do. Wait, maybe no, I don't.
It's really just like eating your own spit up.
Well, that's a funny face here. Okay, what do you think? You want to try some more? You're reaching for it. Okay, here we go. Such a funny face. Such a funny face. Here we go, ready?
Looks like me trying to down lima beans.
Not really the face of someone who loves what they're eating.
It's kind of a love-hate relationship.